Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your PayPal account with the Uber app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and start paying for rides using PayPal. How do you actually go ahead and link your PayPal account with the Uber app? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Uber app. Next, click on Account on the bottom right-hand corner. Afterwards, click on Wallet on the top right-hand corner. Then click on Add Payment Method. Now, find PayPal and click on PayPal on the top-hand side. And then it's going to redirect you to PayPal app if you have it connected. Click on Login with a code or use the password. But from here, simply follow the on-screen prompts and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and link your PayPal account with the Uber app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.